In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Hytale mods. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by actually closing out of Minecraft and opening up a web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome for this, but you could really use whatever you'd like. And essentially, what we're going to do is use CurseForge for this. So go ahead and type in CurseForge and hit enter. And from here, what you're going to want to do is actually select Get CurseForge app, and it's going to begin downloading the installer. Simply go ahead and select on that installer to begin installing CurseForge and open up the app once it does finish installing. Once it opens up for you, it should forge your library, and you should already see Hytale in here. But essentially, once you do go ahead and get loaded in, if you don't already see Hytale, search for it and add it to your games. And then select it and hit browse over here, where you're going to see all of the mods for Hytale. Now, there's not too much since the game did just come out at the time of making this video, but they're adding more constantly, so just keep that in mind. There's going to be so many mods in here real soon. Essentially, find whatever mod you want to go ahead and download, and go ahead and just simply hit install on it, and it's going to begin installing, and it should download pretty quickly. From here, go back over to the My Mods section right here, and you'll see your mods actually installed in this option. You can create a group if you want to organize your projects a little bit better. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and hit run up in the very top. It's going to load the launcher and then hit play. And once the game does load for you, and it doesn't take that long to load, you just simply need to go ahead and go into your world or create a brand new one, and you'll have that mod automatically applied. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.